Your Digital Advantage 100 includes the antenna, a balun matching transformer, 2 U-bolts with nest assemblies, 6 wing nuts, 2 screws, a loose UHF element, and an instruction manual. You'll need an adjustable or an 11mm wrench. Step 1. Fold out the square-shaped arms of the antenna's middle section. Then, carefully rotate the elements along each arm until they snap into place. Step 2. Carefully fold out the longer elements of the rear section of the antenna until they snap into place. Note, to prevent bending the elements, grab them from the base as shown when unfolding them. Don't forget to rotate the element on the bottom side either. Step 3. Rotate the curved elements on the middle section of the antenna until they snap into place. Step 4. Connect the middle and rear sections of the antenna together as shown. Next, fit the rods from the rear section that have yellow Connect stickers on them and place the ends over the threaded studs as shown. Use the provided wing nuts and screw to secure and tighten the connections. Step 5. Connect the front section of the antenna to the midsection as shown. Then, add the loose UHF element provided using an included screw and wing nut to tighten and secure the connections. Step 6. Connect the balun matching transformer to the threaded terminals as shown. Step 7. Attach all U-bolt mounting hardware to the boom of the antenna as shown. Step 8. Fit your antenna mast through both of the U-bolt assemblies, then, with an 11mm wrench, securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Digital Advantage 100. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.